What should you include in your small apartment tenant maintenance request form? Hey, Cordell here with smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website for other things that I have posted, from videos to interviews to articles, yada, yada, yada. Check me out. Continue to try to continuously pump information in on the website as well as on YouTube, of course. In this video, I'm going to talk about how and what to put in the maintenance request form. Okay. Now, there are a lot of different property management softwares out there, not all the same. And there are apps that does tenant requests. There's websites you may email. So I don't know what kind of system you have, but whatever process you have for handling tenant requests, make sure it includes the following here: resident name and address, date and time of request, repair or maintenance request, permission to enter, name of service technician assigned, description of work completed, action taken, pre-inspection work completed, repaired, temporary parts, replaced parts ordered, follow-up if needed, estimate of costs incurred, amount of time spent for service repair, time in, time out, and follow-up call with resident or post-inspection. That's it. Very quick video. You can take a screenshot of this and try to implement some of it yourself. Be on the lookout for more videos. Bye.